Hi guys! Hi guys! Today, we just received our very first online order from Temu. Yes. So, if you ask if Temu is legit, I don't know. I cannot answer that. But I think it's just like the Wish or the Shein online shopping platform. And we will see if what we ordered are here.
Open.
Oh, open. And the prices are so cheap. And we even got 6 items for free and the rest are 40% off.
Teddy bear.
Yes, oh, your teddy bear. Let's open, let's open, let's open.
Yay.
Open.
Yay. Open. Yeah.
Yan, okay.
Hey.
So, oh, this is the, I think the, yeah, smartphone holder with gooseneck. Yeah, so this can be clamped onto desks or tables. Okay. Alright, so of course, this is for the, this is a car accessory that we can put on the seat belt. Yeah. Actually, this is for Kenji. Yeah. Pillow for Kenji. Another car accessory. Yes. So this is an organizer that can be attached at the back of the car seat. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Oh. Yes. This is also a car accessory. Oh, okay, the sunshade. Yay! This is for Eunice. Okay. This one. Oh, this is a tripod. Okay. Yeah. Another tripod and can be transformed into a selfie stick, I think. Yes. What else do we have here? Oh, cell phone casing. And I just tried it. We will try this on my phone. Oh, look at the design. Although this is too soft, I think. I'm not sure if it's sturdy. Okay, and then we have this. What's this, Eunice? What? Oh, what's that? Ah, that's for you. Oh. Oh, the... Ah! Oh. Let's see. I think this is the portable vacuum cleaner. Yeah. For the car or for the sofa. It's not a blower, ha. It's a portable vacuum cleaner. Yeah. So this part. Yeah, no, look. Oh. Wow. The suction is not that good, but I think it's okay. It's a portable vacuum cleaner. Anyway. Hey! Stop it! What is this? Oh! This is like a calming disco. No, not disco light. It's a light for kids. So this one needs battery. Okay, we will try this with battery. Yeah, let's put some batteries. So this one needs 3 AAA batteries.
The mommy is hot.
Oh my gosh. See, the cover's not that thick. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think at night this will really look cool. It will project to the surface or the ceiling. Oh, so that is for Eunice. Okay, let's open another one. What's this? What's this? Oh, this is another mini magic ball. So one will be in the theater and one will be in the bedroom for Eunice. Look at that. And then finally we have this. This is yeah, this is my laundry basket or laundry bag. Let's see if it's good. Okay. And this is how it looks like inside. It's not that big, but for me, the quality of the fabric is good. See, this is nice. It doesn't have a steel frame, so it can stand steadily. But this will do. We will just place it beside the wall in our bedroom or bathroom. And this selfie stick integrated tripod. Okay. Okay. This is the tripod / selfie stick. This is the instruction manual with a battery. There. I think this is for the Bluetooth. So this can be a tripod like that. Okay. This can be a selfie stick. Here. Like that. Yay! Yay! There. Okay, this is the Bluetooth button. We will try later. This is the gooseneck cell phone holder. Yeah, because I've been looking for a cell phone holder where I can have a 360-degree rotation. Like I can have my phone like that or any position. Oh, so I initially thought that this one is so soft that it cannot carry the phone. Apparently, this is really strong. It can hold the phone. Okay, she's borrowing it.
No.
Oh, see? We will do that at the back. Oh, okay. Oh, it's yours. Okay. We will try this for my vlogging. Okay. So with this one can be used to clamp on desk or table. That will be the stand. And the phone holder will be connected to this end and then it can turn 360 degrees. Oh my gosh, look at you. Yeah, that's mommy's cell phone holder for vlogging. Yes, thank you.
Yay!
Okay, so this is the soothing sky star projector. Yan. It would be better at nighttime. Yan. It can be in colored mode. Yan, so where's the colored mode? Is it already colored? There.
Yay!
Yay, look at that. Oh, so cute. Oh. Yay! Oh. Oh, Eunice likes it. Yes, it's so nice. Oh. It can be in white or colored mode. Oh. Look, it's so cute, Eunice. Wow. You like it?
Yes.
Yes? Oh. Yay! Alright, and that is the LED mini magic ball. Ayan, we're in the theater room. See? Look.
I can see it with my eye.
Yes.
Ay, my iPhone shines.
So it's a USB cable. Ayan, connected to the power.
I will throw it all over you.
Oh no, I don't like that. Not directly to your eyes, Candy. That's bad. Just look at the projection. Eh? Oh, look. Oh, so nice. Yeah. And then, this is not a stand actually. This is a holder. This can be, Eunice, excuse me, this can be attached to the side. There. With this screws. And then, this can be attached to any wall or ceiling via screw. So, meaning, we have to drill. So, I don't like to do that. We will just keep it as it is on any desk or table. Just for entertainment.